Does the online course assist in learning the artistic side of things? Don't know how to word it, but I just don't have the eye for art. I do it. The art I do, it's hard to distinguish my work from a 5-year-old. It's a great question. Love it. Okay. So the online course is basically, the reason for it is that let me just turn that off. It's the fundamentals that you need. Okay. So when we used to do the beginner's course face-to-face, we had people that would come in and do the course. They could not draw. They couldn't do a stick figure. And I'd always get asked this question: do I need to be able to draw to do your course? Well, no, you don't. Okay, so the reason why is because there's, number one, reference images in the course. Okay, there's cutting maps. So when I say cutting maps, they're PDFs with the paper template. I've highlighted the actual cut line, plus there's a tutorial video for each one of those paper templates. Okay, so you can print all the bits, follow along with everything. There's a discussions tab in the course as well, so you get priority to me, and we check those comments on a regular basis. But obviously, you can also upload your progress and say, listen, I'm having trouble here. What do I do? Right, so that's the most important part as well. Like, you're not just left to your own devices. And the course as well is structured so that you've got all of the fundamentals, you've got all of the sort of diagrams about double action airbrushes, you know, what to buy, gravity versus siphon, compressors, all that sort of stuff. So I go through everything from your setup to your basic training to special effects, and then you do a feature skull, one in color, one in black and gray. And there will be some updates. So once you pay for the course, it's a one-time payment. You have access for life, okay, in perpetuity. So you will, you basically can always go back to it. And that's what I recommend. And I think a lot of people don't realize that. They buy the course, they do it because it'll tell you that you've gone through from 0 to 100%, but they don't go back to it. The reason I made the course is so that everyone worldwide can obviously enjoy it, but you've got it there. Number one, you've got access to me. And number two, you don't have to sift through all of my videos on YouTube. Everything's laid out for you. But you can go back to those fundamentals every single time you airbrush. And that's what, if you really want to improve, that's what you should be doing. So do those basic trainings. As boring as dots and lines and dagger strokes are, it is so important, okay? And you've got to master that double action. And once you do, everything else will get easier. So just continually go back and use those techniques. And that's what I really urge you with the course, okay? So here's the online course. Let me just turn these comments off for a second. Okay, so in here, obviously you can click on this and watch the YouTube video about it. There's some reviews, what people are saying. Now the course has currently 39 videos, over 4 hours and 40 minutes of tutorials, as well as 8 text lessons. But if you go in here, you'll see this is the curriculum. Okay, so we've got, you know, how to use and navigate it. That's part of the free preview. Welcome to the course, about the instructor, a bit about me. And then you've got a few basics before we get started. The course material list, that's also part of the free preview, so you know what you have to buy. There's not obviously a lot you need to buy if you've already got an airbrush. I've kept it very, very basic and simple for you. Health and safety, compressor info, cutaway diagram of an airbrush, airbrush type, single versus double action, airbrushes, gravity or siphon, 3 main factors in airbrushing, and then you've got some video ones here, how to hold your airbrush, PSI and compressor tips, connecting your brush, mixing paint and reducer, tip drying, how to clean your airbrush, how to disassemble and reassemble your airbrush. So all really important things. And then we go to the basic exercises. I talk about the grid book and why that's important. Lesson 1's warm up. Then we do shaded dots, fine dots, dots fine to large, dots large to fine, shaded lines, lines in columns, which is the ladder exercise, which is one thing that I teach all my students. Crosshatch, dagger strokes thin to thick, dagger strokes thick to thin, UFO strokes, circles with shadows. Some of that won't mean anything to you, but you'll understand when you get in the course. And then we have granite as part of the special effects section, We have space, whitewash timber panels, and brick. So in those you learn, little bits of masking, using a dry brush. There's all different types of things that you learn. Then we have the feature artwork, black and gray skull. So mixing transparent paint. You've got making paper templates. So you can also apply this if you want to learn how to do this with another artwork, a skull artwork, okay? Doesn't necessarily have to be the one that you get in the course, but all of the reference images and everything you need is all downloadable in there. You have the gray underpainting, white highlights, black detailing, and final white highlights. And then for chapter 3.2, we have the color skull. So how to mix the bone color, mixing transparent tones, making the paper templates, underpainting, sepia detailing, and adding transparent tones, highlights, and transparent black detailing. Okay, so there's all that stuff in there. If you have any other questions, this goes for anyone. Don't hesitate to reach out. So you can reach out to Meg on info@airbrushisylum.com.au. Reach out if you have any questions, but it definitely will help you out if you want to learn how to airbrush. And it doesn't matter even if you're a bit more professional with your airbrushing, it's still going to help you. Okay, so, and there will, like I said, there will be updates going forward. So probably halfway through this year, it's going to go up as in pricing. So if you do want to lock in the price, now's the time to do it, and then you're covered. Okay, so any other questions, chuck them in the comments or email us. No problem at all. Okay.